Hello, in this video of Simuland version 4 series, we will demonstrate the camera tool which allows control of cameras via HTTP commands and ONVIF protocol, displaying text on the screen and generally sending any HTTP commands, thus allowing you to control any device that supports them. In the table, you can see the basic properties of the HTTP and ONVIF client. With the METEL device you can control up to 8 or more cameras located anywhere on the same LAN with an identical IP address range. This means that the device must be set into the same IP range as the controlled device. The maximum HTTP command length is 128 bytes with HTTP put and get support. Command types such as turn to preset, start pattern or show text are limited only by SDK from the camera manufacturer. The basic version of ONVIF client only supports preset cam position commands. The advantage of this hardware solution is the high response rate in milliseconds in comparison with hundreds of milliseconds when cameras are controlled from servers. Cameras controlled from METEL device can help make it easier to record the intruder even without the necessary intervention in fewer cameras. The setup is very simple and consists of the following steps. Go to Extensions, Camera, Basic menu. There you can change the name. Then set the IP address and login credentials for communication with the camera. Select model for way of communication with the camera operated. If your model is on the list, it won't be necessary to copy HTTP commands as these are already stored in our devices. If your model is not on the list, select Other, in which case the user commands will be used for communication instead. If your camera is not listed at all, go to the Extensions, Camera, User Commands menu, copy the required HTTP commands and select the put or get method by manufacturer's datasheet. In the next step in the Extension/Events menu, set the desired action. We will show you an example when the IN1 digital input is disconnected and a command is sent to the camera to rotate to the preset. Select Digital as input module, which is the state of digital inputs. Choose Input IN1 and set digital mode to open, meaning it only reacts to input disconnection. In Out module, set camera to our camera 1 in which we entered the login information. Now in mode, if camera is on the list, keep the move option and select the number of the preset to be rotated to. If it was not on the list and you copied user commands, select the one that follows the index of the URL X line that you want sent to the camera. Apply changes to the device by the right button and verify the function. When input IN1 disconnects, a command is sent to rotate the camera. Nothing will happen when connected again. In a case where you also want to see a text on the screen, go to the Extensions, Camera, Text menu. Change name and enter the desired text. Then go back into Event Management, create new event for Camera and select Set Text in the Output mode with the desired text index. Input mode stays the same. Most often, this tool is used when the camera automatically rotates to the door when the door contact is opened or turns to the motion detection by peer sensors and etc. In the case of theft of the camera, router will automatically turn the other camera to preset or runs pattern so that the intruder is captured. Switch or IP log automatically switches the camera's day/night mode depending on the external light sensor. Relay output of thermocamera detects movement. Event management automatically redirects rotating camera to a field of view of the thermal camera. If anything seemed unclear, please don't hesitate to contact our technical support. We upload all of our videos on YouTube over time, so consider subscribing to our channel and becoming a regular viewer. Thank you for your attention and I look forward to seeing you in our next video where we look at topology settings.